Our last problem type. NaF is slowly added to a solution that contains equal molar concentrations of lead, barium, and calcium ions. What will precipitate first? And we want to justify our answer. So we have three slightly soluble compounds here, and they all have a couple of things in common. They have their stoichiometry in common, and they have the fluoride in common. So in each case, we're dissolving into some ion and two fluorides. That means in every case, our KSP value is going to equal the concentration of that metal ion times the concentration of the fluoride ion squared. We are told that we have equal molar concentrations of lead, barium, and calcium. Therefore, this value is always the same. What changes is this and this. So as we add fluorine, eventually too much fluorine will be there that exceeds the maximum allowable concentration for one of the compounds. We want to figure out which one of these compounds allows for the smallest amount of ions. So I need to look at these three KSP values and compare them. Calcium fluoride has the smallest of the KSP values, meaning when I plug that in here, it's going to have the smallest allowable concentration of that metal ion. So my answer to this question, I don't have to quantify anything. Even if they gave me a value for fluoride, I could plug it in and solve it 3 different times, but I'm going to come up with the same answer. This is the type of question where I can either justify it with a calculation or I can justify it with words. So 5.3 times 10 to the negative ninth is the smallest KSP value. So CaF2 will precipitate first. That's it.